Alright, step number 2. What we've got here is leather cleaner. I have a roll of paper towels. I have a container of water, and I use these are Scotch Brit pads, or scouring pads that I buy from Mitre 10. There are places that you can buy them from, like some of these handyman places. This is a Norton brand, and you can buy them in A4 sheets. So what I do is I just cut them up into sort of that size there, and yeah, just go for the super fine ones. Don't go for the coarser ones, because you can end up scratching the leather. I've also got gloves, and I've got a box over here which I use to chuck my rubbish into. So okay, so the process is very simple. All I do is just dip the scouring pad into the water, just wring it out, leather cleaner, directly onto the leather, and scrub away. So what we're actually doing with this here is this is going to actually remove all the dirt out of the pores and also the finish of the leather, and it also happens to make it feel softer as well. This is ideal for leather preparation. Don't do this with a scouring pad if you're going to use it just for general cleaning, because you will take the finish off. So this is just if you're doing a refinish, which is what we're doing today. And while it's still wet, I just wipe off the residue. So you can see that there. There's a wee bit of brown involved in that, so and there's also a wee bit of colour as well, but that's fine. I usually go over the whole thing at least once. And if you find that there's still dirt in there and it's still sort of a browny colour rather than the leather colour coming out onto the paper towel, then give it another go, because this is actually quite an important step, just to make sure that you've got all this contamination out of this leather. So that's looking really good. You can see the dye there now coming into the lather. There we go. So there you go, we've got the dye coming out now. So that's exactly what we want. And I just make sure I get into the pleats, around all the edges, and thoroughly do the whole seat. So I'll just do a couple of other panels here and show you. Squirt the leather cleaner. I don't know about these jolly squirters. Leather cleaner directly onto the leather. And using the water, it helps to lather it up as well, which is what we want. So just pushing it right down into the pleats. Water on that. Seems to be soaking in here. And while it's still wet, we wipe it off. The leather's going to feel a little bit wet. What I do is just leave it overnight to dry. Don't be tempted to put it into the sun, because it will actually dry the leather out, and also potentially make it shrink and go hard. And I found that out the hard way one time, so please don't go there. Just double check that. Okay, here's the red coming out again, just looking good. And just drying out again with the paper towel. So there you go, so that's the process of cleaning the leather. So just carry on and do go through the whole set of interior, doing exactly like that. And then what we'll do, once we've done that, we'll come back to the next step.